Today we're doing a deep dive into Sporty's Tailwind backpack. This is our largest backpack with lots of space and lots of organization. Let's dive in and take a closer look. Sporty's flight gear bags have heavy duty construction and have these easy pull zipper pulls that make it easy to find and open these pockets even if you have gloves on. This front pocket has lots of space in it for all your stuff. There's a key clip over here. I don't like to fly with car keys, so I'll put my car keys on this clip so I don't lose them. Pen, pencil holders. There's a zipper pocket here. It's perfect for charging cables. There's a small slash pocket over here that is perfect for credit cards. And there's even room for extra accessories like a Sentry ADS-B receiver. This front flap is where you'll find the embroidery window. There's a small zipper in here that allows our expert embroidery staff here at Sporty's to open this up, and we can embroider your name or N number right here on the front flap. This is also where you'll find the E-tracker pocket. Behind this little logo is the perfect spot to slide in an air tag. This makes it really easy to find your bag if you happen to lose it. The top pocket here is lined with this soft material. It could be perfect for sunglasses. I really like to put my phone inside of here and my wallet. The organization continues as we work around the bag, and both sides are the same. So you have this expandable pocket here that's perfect for a radio or a water bottle. There's a zipper pocket behind that that's perfect for some charging cables. And there's an expandable fuel tester flashlight pocket behind that. The rear of the bag has this large padded pocket that's specifically made to slip a computer in this slot and a tablet in this front slot. Even more, it has this through hole so I can charge my tablet with a battery brick on the inside of the bag. I also like to tuck my logbook in here because there's plenty of space in between the computer and tablet pockets. The back of the bag has these extra large padded shoulder straps. Makes it very comfortable to carry this bag across the ramp. There are spots on the shoulder straps to snap more items. And they have these thumb holes to make adjustments very easy. If you're traveling with a rolling luggage, this bag can easily slip over the handle. As I grab the beefy carrying handle and turn this bag around, you'll notice there's these little loops on each side, and these are for carabiner clips so I can clip on extra items, umbrellas, more water bottles, anything that you can think of can kind of hang off the side of this bag. The massive main compartment is where you'll store most of your gear. The top has a headset hanger that allows you to suspend your headset from the top of the bag rather than let it roll around and get banged up in the bottom. There are two side pockets that can hold backup batteries or other items. And the rear wall is what we call the gear mod wall. It's made of this soft velvet material that you can use hook and loop to attach things to. Sporty's has a whole line of gear mods so you can further customize your flight bag. The bottom of the bag has this rubberized fabric with these custom cleats. This helps prevent water from soaking up through the bottom of the bag when you set it down on a wet tarmac. It does bring up one of my favorite features about this bag, is that it stands up on its own. This is one of many Sporty's flight gear bags, and we have a bag for just about every mission out there. You can check them all out online at sportys.com.